It is a pleasure to be here with you at the 11th International Franchise and Retail Show being organized by Franchise India Holdings. I would like to thank organizers for inviting us for this wonderful ceremony. It is really very important that this program is franchise, and I think every year we wait for this. So many people, though I belong to NSIC, but in general we talk when we see that when this program is going to start. That's why this program, I think it is in much demand. We know that retail, this franchise thing is, every year 30% increase is there. That is the fact. And in the year to come, it is going to be a big industry. Similarly, now in NSIC, what actually we are doing? NSIC is also, made for the development of MSME, micro, small and medium enterprises. And there are so many schemes which are similar to this is also one of the things franchise is there, and it is for the, development and prospects of the small business enterprises. Similarly, we are also having a scheme of sort of incubation center. We have started an incubation center, so many young people are here. So this is also a way of starting the new business. You can choose any business wherever you feel that you are liking the program or you are liking this from the, participants who is participating in this conference. But NSIC also has got a very good incubation program where, and we firmly say that we don't incubate the idea, we incubate the people. There's lot many technology have been, shown in our center, and this is a part of this because it is, as she has said, that this is for the development of MSME, and entrepreneurship should be there. So they are the persons who can join us in that incubation program. They can see, and I also invite you to come and visit NSIC and see that how that center is running. That is for the self-employment actually. And then you can start your own business also. The business you can start, then you can see how many technologies are there. Though they are not very advanced technology, but that is for the purpose of unemployed youth. So you are not the employed youth, but you can have in future, or you can help somebody else who can see that how the program is going on, how that you works, and even we give the hand-holding support also. Similarly, for the benefit of micro, small and medium enterprises, we have several schemes which give a direct benefit to the micro, small and medium enterprises. We have a government purchase scheme where we register the small scale unit and who gets tenders at free of cost, no earnest money they have to pay. And we see their financial and physical viability, or accordingly we issue the certificate to them. So they can participate in any of the government tender. You are also aware that now Government of India has made 20% mandatory compulsory purchase from the MSCs, micro and small enterprises. So in case you go for that program, then naturally, because till now the purchases from the MSCs are hardly 4 to 5% or 7 to 8%. But it is going to be 20% mandatory. Then you can have a very good benefit of that scheme. Similarly, we have a consortia and tender marketing scheme. In that scheme, what we do, when you have a big order, then that order, a small unit alone cannot supply. Then we make the, we club the units together, 4, 5, 3, 5, who is making the same product, and then we participate on their behalf. And then we participate, when we get the order, we distribute among them. So these are the major schemes there. We have our website, nsic.co.in. So you can log into that, or in case you have any query, everything is there. But I am also available, and then you can discuss with me. But these are the things which really, and now we have also started MSME e-marketing portal. That is msmemart.com. So where you have the product of the small industries. And then you can choose upon any of the product as per your liking, and accordingly place the order. So these are some of the schemes which I would like to discuss. And franchise is there because naturally it is a benefit only for both the persons who give the franchises and who take the franchises. So this is also a development to the small scale industries and small enterprises. Similarly, we are also doing the same thing. And I think this program is really a wonderful program. And I hope that it will be a 100% success again.